Hello traders, welcome to my very first vlog in trading. So let me introduce myself. I am a trader by choice and I do trading whenever I feel like there is an opportunity. So by the term opportunity I mean it can be in gap up or gap down, or it can be an report that's going to come tomorrow for an stock. Just for example, if you could say SBI or HDFC or any other company, any Nifty 50 companies or Bank Nifty companies. So I'll just use this opportunity to gain profits, or sometimes it also leads to losses. So as you know, market is never predictable, and it's never going to be predictable for anyone. So why we're here today? We're just here to analyze the chart for Nifty 50 for the day of 15th of March, and we'll just see how we can create our own opportunities on 16th of March. All right, so yeah, let's go into this. And before going into the discussion, let me just tell you that these vlogs or videos which I'm making on trading are only for education purposes and only to educate the viewers. It is not giving it is not for giving any tips or any recommendations for any sort of personal. All right, as we're done with the rest, and let's go into the chart analysis. Yeah, so when you could see the chart of Nifty 50 for today, sorry, for yesterday, 15th of March, we could see that it has opened at 15,050, but at the instant it has opened, we could see a huge red candle forming at the instant opening of market, and that led the market to fell down by 100 points within 5 minutes of duration. So that is the 5-minute candle which I am showing you now, and within 5 minutes we could see the market falling down from 15,050 to 15,000. So yeah, sorry, that is roughly around 50 points, and that led to the fear in the market, and it led to the downtrend or the bearish trend in the market, and it led down the market further low. So if you could see the opening, it is 15,050, and the market came down from 15,050 to 14,920 within 15 to 20 minutes, and then it made a third low at 14,820. That is in roughly around by 9:45, and it has made further lows and also further highs, and it has bottomed out. The market has bottomed out at 14,751. So you could see these are the few points which are acting as support. The bulls have started acting over here. So they have taken an opportunity to raise the market from 14,750, and they have dominated the market from there on, and they are responsible for closing the market from 14,750 to 14,920. So the gap between the lowest low to the closure of the market is roughly around 160 points. Yeah, so what do we get to know about this chart when we analyze this is, what do we get to learn from the chart analysis that we have done? The first thing is the support, that is the bullish support, which is at 15,050. And in case if the market is going to go up and it's going to go cross 15,050 and it sustains more than 5 minutes at this level, then you can assume that the market is going to go bullish, and it is going to exceed 15,050, and it might even reach 15,200. And in case if the market is going to go less than 14,920, and if it's going to hit 14,850, then you can say that the market is going to go bearish, and it might even further uh, go down till 14,784, and it might bottom out at 784, and it might get it might come back to 14,900 at the downside. And if the market is at the upside, if it is bullish, the market can go to 15,200, and it might survive for a while, and then it might even come down till 14,900. So for tomorrow, the levels are going to be 15,200 to 14,750. So the market is going to very much be trading between these two levels, and I'm very much anticipating a gap up of 40 to 60 points on 16th March. And yeah, happy trading to all of you guys, and have a great day. And if you like this video, please do subscribe and give the like button.